Hello guys, welcome to Average Consumers India. Today we'll be unboxing another watch. It's called the Titan Sectoral Automatic Series. So let's get started. At the front we have automatic Titan branding. Nothing on the side. Nothing on the back. Let's see how the watch looks. So Titan as a brand started in 1984. It's known for leather goods, jewelry, fragrances and watches. Coming to the looks, it's a simple wristwatch with a grey dial, a sector cut between 11 to 7 o'clock to see the movement. There is no day or date function. The watch comes with polished bezel, a brushed diameter, brushed lugs, and a domed crystal. Dimension wise, the watch comes with a case size of 43 millimeters, a lug width of 22 mm, a thickness of 12.5 mm. Coming to the back side, there is automatic branding, water resistance branding, stainless steel, and the model number. Coming to the features, the watch comes with a Seiko TMI NH70A movement. It has hacking and hand winding. The watch comes with a 50 meters water resistance, a mineral crystal, a pin and buckle system, a genuine leather strap. It does come with Titan logo on the crown. Coming to the quality, the leather strap quality is not that great. The detailing in the dial is not that great. Versatility wise, you can wear this with jeans and shirt, jeans and t-shirt. You can also wear this with a blazer, but no water activities. Coming to the verdict, it's a decent watch. If you're looking for an automatic dress watch for around $15,000 or $200, this is something you cannot go wrong with. It's a simple and quality watch. It comes from a well-known brand. Lastly, it's a no-nonsense dress watch that you should buy and you should get. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. This is Average Consumers India. See you next time.